How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this little beast. It's a KTM 390 Duke and it is a beast. So this one has got ABS. It's a 2014 on a 14 plate. It's an 8,747 miles. It's got a full service history. We've just serviced the bike and we've put new pads and a new disc on the front of it. So it's ready to go. It's got some cool little extras. It's got a full Black Widow exhaust system. Does sound rather cheeky, but we have got the standard pipe if it is a little bit too loud for you. It's got an R&G tail tidy. It's got a bit of R&G protection around it as well, bottom of the forks and stuff. Some bar end mirrors, little tinted screen on the front there. You've got a digital speed over gear indicator on it. And like I said, it is an ABS version as well. Right, let's give it a fire up. It is loud. Does have the baffle in it as well, so if it's a little bit too loud for you, we do have the standard pipe. So yeah, if you want it, get your name on it, give us a call or just pop on down. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.